would have a name.
The one that you put there?
Before.
And the shiny side on the top. So the two not shiny sides are together. Okay?
It looks like an abomination of a hot dog.
Wow!
Like, why does it have this like? Oh, I got it. Wow! How many? One get in. I think I can get off for a second. You can get off. Yeah. Just how many get in the middle? Okay, ready, go.